Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cream cheese. First, gather your ingredients. 1 gallon of whole milk and a good quality starter culture, like buttermilk or a mesophilic culture. Gently warm the milk to about 72 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is ideal for the culture to activate properly. Once the milk reaches the correct temperature, stir in your chosen starter culture thoroughly. Cover the pot and let it sit at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours. After the culturing period, your milk should have thickened into a soft curd. Carefully transfer this curd into a colander lined with several layers of cheesecloth. This setup allows the whey to slowly drain away, leaving behind the rich cream cheese. Place the colander over a bowl in the refrigerator and let it drain for at least 6 hours or even overnight. The longer it drains, the firmer your cream cheese will become. Once drained to your desired consistency, transfer the curds to a mixing bowl. Now it's time to season. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt per cup of curds or adjust to your preference. Using an electric mixer or whisk, beat the curds until they are wonderfully smooth and creamy. For extra flavor, consider adding fresh herbs, garlic powder, or a touch of honey. Your homemade cream cheese is almost ready to enjoy. Your freshly made cream cheese is best stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator and will stay delicious for about 7 to 10 days. It's perfect on a toasted bagel, as a base for savory dips, or as a key ingredient in cheesecakes and other desserts. The possibilities are truly endless with this versatile spread. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.